Hello family, this is your boy from Nuer Online. Today I just want to break it down. I think this is a good news. Actually, I tried many times before. I mean, after they send me this message that they say Nuer Online, you are eligible for a YouTube Music Partner Manager. Now is your chance to team up with your own YouTube Music Partner Manager to help grow your audience on YouTube. Don't miss your window to apply. Well, I did try it a couple of weeks ago. I mean, I think 1 week ago, but they rejected me. Anyway, today the good news is that I've been accepted by them. I sent them a message, and yep, I think where is the message? Yep, I already accept I send them the message and then they accept me, but I don't know what YouTube partner mean. YouTube music partner mean. I have no idea. But I just applied anyway. I think this is good news, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Yep, just like that. So maybe in a few months or a year, you might get this opportunity from YouTube teams. So I just want to be thankful to them for sending me this opportunity. They say that after 3 days and 18 hours and 39 minutes and then 21 seconds, I already applied, and they say that they will send me a message. But before they were saying that they could not process my information. But now I just would like to say that thank you and congratulations to the team, and I would like to say thank you again. So guys, I really appreciate that. So I just want to share with you. Please thumb up. Thank you.